Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how we can easily download and install Zoom on Windows. For that go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Microsoft Apps, press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, apps.microsoft.com. Click on it. Here and type the application we want. We wanted Zoom. So I'll type here and press enter. On pressing enter, the official Zoom application will be visible. It's visible here. Click on it. Get in Store app. Click Open Microsoft Store. Minimize. Click Install. It will first download, then install. Now you can see guys, it is installed. Now you can directly go to Start and type Zoom and click on Open to open it. You can sign in by clicking here. Close it. Now after closing, if you want to open it again, go to Start, type Zoom and click on Open. It will open again. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Zoom on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.